Derp, derp, derp. Why are you a whore? You're freaking Jace. You're a freaking penis freaking puffer. You little nasty little freaking bitch. I'm tired of these people sucking Peter. You're a little penis puffer, and you need to stop that penis puffing right now. Right now, right now, right now, boy. Right now. Because if you don't, I'm gonna have to fuck you up. Yeah, because I'm strong. I got muscles, what bitch? Get on my load. Get on my load. Get up here on my load. Oh, bitch, you just missed. Get on my load. Get up here, bitch. Get up here. Get up on my load. Yeah, that's what I thought, you little shit. You ain't gonna get on my level, because I'm above your level, bitch. What? Okay, well, you're a freaking penis puffer, okay? A little freaking whore and a penis puffer, and I'm tired of you puffing penis, and you stop that. And you like the freaking fap? No. No, you better stop that shit, dude. That's, don't even, oh my god, do you want to see me be happy? Hang on. Hang on, got this. Okay. Had to, fix my hair. Am I cute? I'm cute. I'm a bunny. Okay, I'm done with this. Okay, goodbye, you freaking penis puffer.